Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, there are only two viable businesses, two viable industries that you can go into in Nigeria if you are looking to make money. And those two industries are governance, government, and religion. So those are the two viable industries that you can go into if you're looking to make a profit in Nigeria. Now, some of you may think that, oh, but there's oil in Nigeria and all that, but the oil in Nigeria, of course, is what sustains the government and it belongs to the government. So by extension, the government covers the oil. So really, the two industries in Nigeria that you can go into are the oil business, not the oil business, but the government business, which by extension is the oil business anyway, or religion. So government or religion are the two viable opportunities in Nigeria. So of course, these two industries, these two businesses, and I'm describing them as businesses, and I know I said religion and I'm saying businesses, and you all know that religion, of course, is a business in Nigeria. So these two businesses are GBT businesses, of course, in Nigeria, because the government is GBT, and religion, of course, is a bigger GBT, because what they are using to GBT the people is more egregious than governance, which is GBT all over the world anyway. So guys, what am I talking about, or what's led me to say all this? Well guys, I bring you this. Apostle Suleiman claims he is set to float his own airline. So that's Apostle Johnson Suleiman, he of the Stephanie Otobo infamy, is now set to float an airline. So again, Apostle Suleiman claims he is set to float his own airline. So here's the tweet that he sent out. This is his Twitter handle, Apostle Johnson Suleiman, and is verified. So, starting our own airline very soon, hoping to employ 3,000 Africans, 50% Nigerians, part of our contribution to nation building, God helping us. So that is what this guy has put out. The clergyman and senior pastor of Omega Fire Ministry announced this via his Twitter handle. So that is really what this guy has now put out. Just to go into the comments, we just capture a few comments and then we round it off there. This is Tamuno. Tamuno is the first contributor. Possible name of airline: Jesus Air or Omega Fire Air. This is Vincent the Hot Genius, God of Man, and I think his has always been a case of being an undercover businessman parading himself as an apostle. Well, you are not breaking any news there. There's nobody that is not of that view, so you have not said anything that is news there with that one. Juliet Iwono, Naim Sabi that one though. So that's what this one has to say. Anonymous Apostle Suleiman Airline, Emmanuel Kachi, nice one, my mentor. So this one clearly a follower. Wonders Airline, I'm suspecting you, Sule. So this one is now a bit dubious about this announcement. So we just take just a couple more comments because I don't want this one to drag on. Anonymous Pastor, are there not more pressing issues to sort out with money than starting an airline? Okay, maybe you're not aware. The OFM branch in Cameroon, Limbe to be precise, is long due for renovation, and we practically moved inside water to go to church when it rains, meaning the road needs a drainage. So do something. An airline isn't a priority. Hashtag my opinion. So now this guy now is saying there are other pressing things that can be done with that money, and yes, you can say that, but then starting an airline is a business venture, and if this airline is going to capture 3,000 people and generate income for good doing, for doing good, then it's not entirely a bad idea. But of course, this is just another show-offy thing by this flashy guy. Apostle Johnson Suleiman is of course nothing to do with the religion, and one of the commentators, one of the contributors got it exactly right by saying that this guy is more a businessman than anything else. He's a businessman and a ladies man. He's a businessman and a ladies man. That's what he is, and that is what he has always been. He has never really pretended to be anything outside of that, even though he cloaks it within religion. But everybody, anybody of any thinking, anybody with an IQ level above 1 digit is immediately of the view that this guy is an opportunist, a businessman, and a ladies man. And go and speak to Stephanie Otobo. This girl says he used to hand over money collected in his foreign trips to her in hotel rooms to go do shopping as he goes about doing his ministry business, and then he will come back later to go and do her business, if you get my meaning. So this guy is a businessman and a ladies man, and his latest venture is to set up an airline. Good luck to him is what I'm saying. I don't approve, of course, because the idea of selling false hopes to the downtrodden and emptying their pockets to live the life of Khashoggi or to live the life of Riley is not really something that sits. It's something, there's a very sinister way to go about earning a crust, you know, because if you have sufficient enough to set up a church, then you have sufficient enough, I mean, in terms of cranial function, if you have the capacity intellectually to set up a church, then that intellectual capacity can be best harvested in another direction. But this is the direction of travel of a lot of these people in the name of God Limited and all that kind of business, and in the name of God Limited is now turning into an airline. Conversations in the comment section is what I'm inviting. This is what I usually do. But before you come join me in the comment section to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so you become a subscriber, and then the bell button. That way you are notified every time I drop a video, which I do fairly often. Actually, on a daily basis, I drop several videos, at least a few videos a day. So click on the bell notification so you are notified every time I drop a video. Then come join me in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts are about my thoughts. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.